Hi, welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple square pincushion bracelet. It's a perfect beginner project and an excellent way to use up those fabric scraps you have in your stash. You'll need the following materials. One rectangle of 9 by 20 centimeters of fabric for the wristband. Feel free to adjust this to fit your wrist. Just measure your wrist and add, let's say, 3 to 4 centimeters. 2 squares of 9 by 10 centimeters of fabric. 1 square of sturdy material, such as this, a cardboard. It will act as a base to prevent pins from poking through to your skin, so have that in mind. 1 elastic band measuring 14 centimeters and a few small fabric scraps. To start, fold the rectangle in half with the right sides facing each other. Sew along the edge using a 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch seam allowance. Turn the wristband right side out. You can use a loop turner, a safety pin, or any tool you find comfortable. Since this piece is wide enough, I'll just turn it without any tool. Press the seams for a crisp finish. Now, top stitch along both sides of the strip with the 0.5 centimeter or a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Insert the elastic through the strip. You can use a safety pin to help guide it through. Once the elastic is fully inside, pin each end to secure it in place. Sew both ends with the 0.5 centimeter or 1/4 inch seam allowance to keep the elastic fixed. Take the 2 fabric squares and mark the middle points on the longer sides. That means the sides with 10 centimeters. Place 1 square right side up and attach the ends of the wristband to these middle marks. Then place the other square on top, right side down, aligning the middle marks. Sew around the edge with a 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch seam allowance, leaving a 2 finger size opening on one side. Trim the corners to reduce bulk. Then turn the piece right side out. Press the opening edges. You'll notice that by pulling the fabric, the seam aligns in place, making it easier to close. Now, insert your sturdy material, like the piece of cardboard, and begin filling the cushion with fabric scraps. To check if it's firm enough, try inserting a few pins to see if they hold securely. You can now top stitch this opening with your machine, or you can hand sew it with a lather stitch for an invisible finish. I'll show you. The idea with the lather stitch is to insert the needle parallel to the last exit point, creating a hidden seam, like this. And there you have it, your own pincushion bracelet. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn a specific technique, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.